How to upgrade your account in Grindr. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily upgrade and use premium versions. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the left top, you can see your profile icon. Simply tap on your profile icon. Now, slowly scroll down. Here, there's an option called Settings. Simply tap on Settings. So now, we're in this Settings interface. Here on the top, there's an option called Upgrade. Simply tap on Upgrade. Now here you'll be able to find different options and different premium versions. So if you swipe right, there are different ones. Now simply choose the one that you want to upgrade into, and here on the bottom tap on Continue. So after you do that, you must add your debit or credit card in order to purchase it, and it will directly deduct it from your bank account. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.